It is really easy to calculate the unknown side of a triangle using Pythagorean theorem. This only works with right-sided angle. Now, when you have side A and side B, you're going to be able to calculate side C using this simple formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Therefore, the square root of A squared plus B squared should give you C. Let's take, for example, this triangle. You have side A, which is 3, and side B, which is 4. So, A squared, 3 squared, that's 9. And then you have B squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. 16 plus 9, that's 25. So that's C squared. Now you take C squared and you get your square root, and you will get that the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So now you know that the side C is 5. Now if you want to know one of the other sides, the only thing you have to do is to rearrange this equation so that you will have either side A or side B as your unknown. And that's it. That's just how you do it.